Long, long ago, in a world filled with endless possibilities, there is a young man named James. James was a curious and ambitious individual who was always eager to learn new things. He was fascinated by technology and spent all his free time tinkering with computers and writing code. One day, while attending university, James stumbled upon a new programming language called C++. He was immediately drawn to its versatility and power. However, he soon realized that C++ was complicated and took a lot of time to learn, which discouraged many people from taking up programming. Determined to find a better solution, James embarked on a journey to create a new programming language that would be easy to learn and use. After months of tireless work, he finally came up with the first version of Java. Java had a simple syntax and eliminated many of the complexities of C++. It also had a unique feature called Write Once, Run Anywhere, meaning that code written in Java could be executed on any platform without any modifications. James was convinced that Java would revolutionize the world of programming. After much testing and refining, James released Java to the public in 1995. The response was overwhelming. Programmers from all around the world were excited to try out this new language that promised to make their lives easier. Java was adopted in various industries, including finance, gaming, and web development. It quickly gained popularity for its speed, reliability, and security. As the technology world continued to advance, so did Java. New versions were released with improved features and capabilities. One of the biggest milestones for Java was the introduction of object-oriented programming, which made it even more robust and flexible. Over the years, Java has become a staple in the tech industry. It is widely used in the development of applications, websites, and enterprise software. Companies such as Google, Amazon, and Netflix depend heavily on Java for their products and services. The success of Java can also be attributed to its community. Developers from all over the world contribute to its growth by sharing their knowledge and expertise, constantly improving the language and its libraries. Today, Java is not just a programming language, it has become a culture. Its popularity and widespread usage have made it an essential skill for anyone looking to build a career in the technology field. The demand for Java developers continues to rise, with lucrative job opportunities available for those who possess the skills to code in Java. As James looks back on his journey, he is amazed at how far Java has come. Its impact on the technology world is undeniable, and it continues to evolve with new developments in the field. Thanks to James's determination and vision, Java has become a fundamental part of our daily lives and will continue to shape the future of technology.